Okay, so here I'm going to continue number 18 in section 4.4. We had already found, or we've seen that the homogeneous solution was as given right here, e to the x, c1 cosine x plus c2 sine x. And we were in the process of plugging in yp into the original differential equation. Now notice this is yp double prime minus 2yp prime plus 2yp. So if we look back at the original differential equation right here, we see that that which we obtain has to be equal to e to the 2x cosine x minus 3 sine x if yp, as I chose it, is going to solve my differential equation. So let me put maybe a line here, because that we found that's equal to this right here. One other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out cosine x. I'm going to factor e to the 2x and then divide these into cosine x and sine x. So e to the 2x, and then I have cosine x times a plus 2b, right? You can see a, and then I have a 2 here, 2b. And then I have plus sine x, and then I have a b here, minus 2a. And that needs to be e to the 2x cosine x minus 3 sine x. So as you can see, these two look very similar, and if they're going to be equal, then the number in front of cosine here has to be equal to this number here. So a plus 2b must be equal to 1 if these two are going to be equal. In addition, you see the number that's multiplied times sine x here is minus 3, so then this equation here has to be minus 3. And now we have two equations and two unknowns, and so we should be able to find what a and b are. So a here is 1 minus 2b, and if I plug that into this equation, I get minus 2 and then 1 minus 2b. That should be minus 3. And I have b minus 2 plus 4b equals minus 3, or 5b equals negative 1. So that b is negative 1/5. So then I can find a. A is 1 minus 2 times negative 1/5. And I have 1 minus, or 1 plus 2/5. So that's 7/5. Finally, my yp then is going to be e to the 2x, and let's just recall that our guess for it looked like this: a times cosine x plus b times sine x. So a, which is 7/5 times cosine x, minus 1/5 sine x. So here's my yp. We had my yc, or my solution to the homogeneous problem, earlier, and our general solution then is yc plus yp as their box above.